What's up everybody? Today we're going to learn how to sidechain in Logic Pro using just the stock compressor. Check it out. Sidechaining is essentially a technique for creating subtle definition or sound shaping between any two elements. In electronic music, it's usually used to separate low-end elements, things like the kick and the bass. But you could use it for anything from like auxiliary tracks, reverbs, synths, vocals, anything you can think of. So how do we do this? Let me show you. All right, so let's open up Logic. I'm gonna throw a compressor on my bass channel because what I wanna achieve here is that every time my kick hits, I want my bass stack to duck just a little bit in volume. So what I'll need to do is route my kick into the compressor. We can achieve that by going into the sidechain menu and throwing the kick in there. Let's turn the auto gain off and bring the ratio down to a 2:1. Now I'm gonna mess with the threshold knob and you'll get a feel for what it's doing. All right, so that sounds pretty good. You feel the pumping effect already coming in. Now we can mess with the attack and the release knobs. When I do that, I like to change over to this graph because we'll see what it's actually doing with a visual representation of it. For the attack, I usually like a quick attack, especially with electronic music. You really want that kick transient to shine through. So I'm gonna bring the attack down and you'll see what it's doing here. You'll notice it ducks a lot quicker. And now I'll mess with the release knob and then we can hear that. Okay, so a quick release sounds pretty good. It felt like when I was making it too long, it got a little mushy and sloppy. But as always, with any genre, you need to trust your ears. If there's one thing you learn from this video is trust your ears. But this is a good baseline for what you can achieve with sidechaining. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. See you next time.